Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the casino that is the stock market. My name is Shades. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump into the video. Alright guys, I got a short video for you. Let's talk about Aitx. Someone did ask me yesterday with regards to achieving 50 million in total revenue, sales, whatever you want to call it, by 2030. They asked me, okay, if you lowballed the number and you said that we're only going to grow 50% every year, what if it grew 100% every year? What about 300%? So I'm going to do some math real quick. This is going to be short and sweet because it's literally me just hitting buttons on a calculator. It's kind of funny when you think about it. Okay, so full year 2025, 10 million, right? That's at least what is predicted. 10 million. If we're gonna grow by 100% every year, then 2020 FY 2026, there you go. FY 2027, there you go. FY 2028, there you go. FY 2029, there you go. FY 2030, there you go. So for those of you who are wondering, like, wait, what? 320 million Shades? Are you sure? Are you sure that math is correct? Well, yes, it is correct. If we're gonna literally double 100%, double our money every single year, I mean, starting with FY 2025 being at 10 million, then I mean 26, 27. I'm just showing you again because it is ridiculous. 28, 29, and 2030. 320 million in sales, which at that point you would expect dividends. You would expect dividends for sure. And you would expect the stock price to be above $10. You would expect, yeah, for an AI stock on a higher exchange at that point, yeah. You would expect a lot of good things happen if this thing starts doubling its revenue every year, which I doubt. But that is the question I was asked. If you, what about 100%? Every year they just grow by 100%. What's the number for that? And 300% would just be, I mean, not even Nvidia can do 300%. So, but sure, let's pretend like Aitx is so special of a stock it can do 300% in sales year over year. What a huge increase that is. Okay, so we start with what, 10,000? Then we just triple it. But okay, 10 million times 3. Okay, and then times 3 again. Now we're at what, 2026, 2027, 2028. Yeah, that is impossible. They'd be worth much more. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop there. They would be they're getting to the point where they're gonna be worth much more than Nvidia itself if they're tripling their sales every year. That's now, I think 300%, that's delusional. That's not even the big companies are capable of that. Even Nvidia, being the AI gold rush shovel seller, like even they can't hit 300% in growth in sales every year. So yeah, that's just kind of, you know, it's fun to think about and do that mental exercise. Like, man, if they grow 300% every year, whoa, we're gonna be rich, guys. I'm a millennial or an old guy, Gen X, who bought the wrong stock at the worst time possible. Yeah, the wrong stock at the worst time possible. At least if you're gonna buy a bad stock, buy it at the best time possible. You know what I'm saying? At the bottom here at 003s. But I'm just messing. But anyways, yeah, that's the math for today. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I'd rather just lowball it. Just assume the worst. That way you're surprised, like, oh my god, they're actually growing at 300% every year, their sales. But if you start off thinking, oh, this is gonna grow by 300% every year, then you're gonna be disappointed every year that you see it growing by 25% or 33% or 50% or 68%. Haha, whatever. Like, it's better to undersell and overdeliver, in my opinion. That way you surprise yourself. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.